You're mid-step when something invisible slams into you. Your hands hit empty air, but it feels like a wall. Behind you, cars crush themselves against nothing, birds freeze mid-flight, and the entire world jerks to a halt. Air isn't air anymore. It's solid. You take a normal step forward and collide with something that shouldn't exist. Your palms crash into empty space, fingers flattening against a surface that isn't visible, isn't moving, and shouldn't be real. Air has turned hard, and your body reacts before your mind understands. You stumble backward in shock, your breath caught in your throat. Beside you, a man tries to run but hits the same invisible barrier. His shoulder bounces off the solid air, groceries fly upward, and apples stick flat against the unseen wall as if glued to nothing. People reach out with confusion, waving their hands in slow circles, trying to make sense of the barrier that wasn't there seconds ago. A sudden screech fills the street. A car slams into the invisible wall, its hood crumpling sharply inward. The impact throws dust and loose papers into the air. But instead of drifting, the debris presses against the solid atmosphere, flattening like paint smeared on glass. The driver sits stunned, staring at the barely visible shimmer where the world froze. Above you, pigeons flap wildly. Their wings strike an invisible sheet and bend against it, feathers flattening with each impact. They flutter in panic, unable to move forward, trapped in midair by something that shouldn't have substance at all. The sky itself looks fractured, bending light in ways your eyes can barely process. You put your hand on the surface again, expecting it to soften. Air is supposed to move. But it stays rigid, colder than you expect, with a strange smoothness you feel through your fingertips. Every breath you take feels slightly heavier, like the air behind the barrier has stopped flowing. Buildings react next. Windows tremble as trapped air behind the solid layer compresses. Doors shudder. Street signs hum with metallic vibration. It's as if every molecule in front of you froze in place, creating a massive, invisible sheet stretching across the street. Someone throws a rock at it. The rock hits with a dull, muted thud and sticks. No bounce, no crack. It simply stays pinned to the barrier, suspended like a bug caught in amber. More objects join it. Paper cups, leaves, wrappers, all trapped in a strange collage of floating debris. Heat builds. The sun bakes the solidified air, trapping warmth behind it. You feel it instantly. A wave of uncomfortable heat presses against your skin while the air around your body thickens slightly. Breathing becomes harder, each inhale shorter than the last, as airflow redirects around the blockage. Then, without warning, the wall fractures. Not visibly, but audibly. A soft ripple passes through the atmosphere, and everything stuck to the barrier drops at once. The rock clatters to the ground. Papers flutter downward. Birds shoot forward in chaotic bursts. The car jerks slightly as air becomes air again. You stumble as the resistance disappears. Your balance shifts. Your lungs pull in a deeper breath, air flowing normally. People on the street look around, stunned, as if waiting for the wall to materialize again. And as the world steadies, one thought echoes louder than the fading noise around you. If the air can turn solid once, what happens the next time it hardens, without warning?